Hi, my name is Grace, and today we're going to talk about tuning the transient response for power supplies, ELOs, and SMUs for faster tests without the risk of damaging your device under test. This is enabled by NI technology called SourceAdapt, which is a digital control loop technology developed by NI, which allows you to customize that transient response so that you can match the specific characteristics of your device under test. So let's go ahead and open up InstrumentStudio to take a look at what that looks like. Here I have an existing project. For those of you not familiar, InstrumentStudio is our software that allows you to configure and control instruments, run measurements, and test sequences within a single application. Today, we're actually going to be using all the free capabilities of InstrumentStudio in order to test our DUT. The hardware we'll be using today is our PXI system, which has a couple of power supplies and electronic loads that are going to be testing our DC-DC converter. What we're doing here is just sending a simple current step to our DC-DC converter and testing the outcomes. So here in our step, you'll see our transient response right here on our measurement. So here's where we can go ahead and customize SourceAdapt to focus on whatever your test needs may be, whether it's minimizing overshoot or minimizing rise time. In the configuration panel, we can go ahead and select these ellipses, which will pull up our different settings that we can set for our power supplies, ELOs, and SMUs. Right here, this is going to show our SourceAdapt tuning parameters. Right now, we have it set to fast, but the default is actually normal. So you can see by switching between those, we're going to get a little bit different behavior in our waveform. So this is going to allow you to optimize for overshoot or rise time, whatever is going to be more critical in your test. So just to show that again really quick, you'll see our fast SourceAdapt is going to have a little bit quicker rise time, but we're also going to have a little bit ringing. So that might not be the right setting that we're looking for. If we go to normal, we'll switch back to that, and you'll see our rise time is a little bit slower. Down here, you can actually customize your different settings for SourceAdapt so you can fine-tune what that waveform looks like. For our E-load, we can go ahead and adjust our current, and you'll see just by doing that, we're going to get our different behavior in our waveform. If we bring it back up, you'll see we can reach about there until we get a little bit of ringing, which is what we don't want. So with that, that's just a quick overview of the different settings that you can set for SourceAdapt for your power supplies, ELOads, and SMUs. So by using SourceAdapt, it's a powerful way to enhance your performance and customize that transient response to achieve faster, more stable, and more accurate measurements so that you can protect your DUT and improve your test results. Thanks for watching.